Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stop losing runes in Elden Ring. When you're defeated in the lands between, your hard-earned runes are dropped at the site of your demise. Your primary goal is to retrieve them before falling again, as a second death before recovery means they are gone forever. We'll cover essential techniques to help you keep your valuable currency. One of the simplest ways to avoid losing runes is to spend them as soon as possible. Whenever you accumulate a significant amount, fast travel to a site of grace and level up or purchase items. Consider equipping a sacrificial twig talisman. It breaks instead of dropping your runes upon death, offering a one-time save. Always approach new areas cautiously to prevent unexpected defeats. When you need to retrieve lost runes, prioritize safety. Before rushing in, try to clear out any enemies near your dropped runes. Use ranged attacks from a safe distance or employ stealth to thin out the opposition. Don't hesitate to summon your spirit ashes. They can draw enemy attention, allowing you to safely grab your runes and retreat. Patience is key to successful recovery. Remember to activate Stakes of Marika, which act as closer respawn points, reducing the distance to your lost runes. If you're struggling, consider farming runes in areas you've already cleared, where the risk is much lower. This allows you to level up safely before tackling tougher challenges. Also, staying hydrated is crucial for any long gaming session. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.